Today I will show you how to make a text file into an Excel worksheet easily. At first, I extract my text file in desktop. Then I open it. It's really undisciplined text. If I want to put it in Excel manually, it will be hard and waste too many times. So, I close the notepad. Now I open Microsoft Excel 2019 and open a blank workbook. Then I go to Data menu and select from text/CSV and Get and Transform Data. After select from text/CSV, a pop-up window will come for the import text file. Then I choose my text file and select Import. Just a little bit wait. A pop-up window again. It's really very good work to see it. Then I select Load. Wait. Then I close Queries and Connections. I select all unnecessary column and delete it. Then I change my column headings. I have finished all work. Now I save the Excel document. Go to Backstage View and select Save. I choose my directory to where I want to save this file. I select Desktop and rename the Excel document text to Excel and saved it. Now everything is okay. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching.